Some mornings the answer is simple. Drop the lines and go. The Princess Y80 is that kind of boat. 83 feet of reason to leave the dock. Built in Plymouth, England. Nearly 60 years of craft behind every weld and waterline. The Y80 leads the Y-class. A generation of vessels designed to live well past the breakwater. Twin-man engines pushing you past 30 knots. At 33 knots, you're well past the inlet before the sun clears the ridge. Run to the islands, run to open water. The Y80 was built to run. The foredeck opens into a full sun pad for 10. Swim platform drops to the water. The cockpit spreads wide enough for dinner, drinks, and whoever shows up. Flybridge is where the day actually starts. Dual helm, wet bar, forward sunbed, a full-service outdoor deck, one level up. 4 staterooms below mean you stay overnight. A 3-day run to wherever sounds better than a day trip back. The integrated hardtop keeps the Flybridge dry when the afternoon weather builds. This is a platform for a longer kind of day. By evening, the Y80 is anchored somewhere worth staying. Panoramic glass on 3 sides brings the horizon in. Galley on the main deck, marble countertops, port window open to the water. You're not rushing back. 4 staterooms for 8 means nobody has to leave. That is the point of a boat this size. You do not have to. For full specifications and everything the Y80 offers, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.